What is going on, everyone? This is another video from Reeves Gaming, and how are you guys doing? I gotta I'm gonna change my music real fast, so just give me a second. Okay, go back to my old music that was listening. There we go. Freeze up. Okay. Now we'll close out again. Alright, guys. What's going on? Again, I am back on Hoosier, and I just done a map review on this. I just bought a bunch of equipment, and I am getting ready for harvest. So that's what we're doing right now. We are going to be harvesting soybeans at first, and then we'll get this cornfield behind us. So we're going to run over here and get our trucks ready to get loaded up. This field right here we're going to be working on. So I already got one truck down here. We'll run this one down here too. I don't know how we're going to park them. Unless we can park him. Get back on the road here. We'll come back around and park along the ditch here. That's the only way I know how to do it. Alright, that's fine. Let's see, what are we in next? No, we do need this. Need to grab our auger wagon right there. This video would just be on our, hold on. This video would just be on the soybean harvest. Alright. Run him over here. I also think I'm still use one combine on this. I'm not going to use two. We'll see what works out here. Okay, stop him. And we don't need him. We are going to need a harvester. So lift it up. Turn on our lights. Alright. See if we're got enough room to get out of here. I never really thought this through how we're gonna get out. So I'm just going across the street so I can worry about detaching and retaching. There we go. But let's go here. Alright, we got everything we need. Yeah. First one will start right here on the field. Perk. Okay, now I gotta make sure this thing harvests. I'm pretty sure it does. We're gonna try it out here. Yes, it does. Alright. It harvests soybeans. Okay. Just had to check. Alright, so we'll do our outer line, and then we'll our worker. Alright, hold on, guys. I have to fix my music problem here. It's not wanting to run correctly, so I have to pull up Spotify. We'll listen to Cut the Cord. Alright, get back to farming, boys. It's a pretty decent field right here. Honestly, I think I'm gonna get the plow and I'm gonna go to the very edge of this ditch, so I'll have some more ground to harvest. So I think I'm also gonna do. I'll probably do that after this harvest. Cause victory is all you need. So cultivate and plant the seed. Build your breath and count to 10. Just count to 10. If you guys did not watch the map review on this, you'll have to. This will be posted right after the map review, but you'll have to watch that map review. This is a pretty cool map. I have the link in the description of the map review, so you guys can get it. La, 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 freedom, cut the cord. That's a good song, guys. As you can see, today is November 15th. I'll probably have this edited and posted the 16th because I done my first mod review today, my very first map review today. So I hired a worker. Fudge. Sit here, B. Let me do that. I was wondering why I wouldn't turn. So you guys have to go out and check out them and watch them. Cut the call. No, but I've never harvested a soybeans on a farming simulator. I've never had a map that done it, and now I do, so it's pretty cool. I'm sort of excited, like a little kid. I'm happy. So since we only got soybeans now, what I'll only plant is soybeans, wheat, and corn. I won't plant no canola or barley or any of the other stupid crap. I might harvest oats. I doubt it because we don't harvest oats in Ohio, or I don't at least. So it'll be kind of obsolete with me. So I doubt if we harvest the oats. I might. I don't know. We'll just have to see what goes on. I have to see if it actually is a profitable crop. All right, we'll run down here to the end, and we'll hire a worker. Don't miss something there, but it'll be all right. Okay. I do. We're gonna want this. Alrighty. Get this beast. We'll go over and work on the edge or the ditch. We'll go in front of you here, guy. folder plow here. We got a pretty decent big plow. It's really nice to have. So what is this right here that is not? I don't think I'll bother with that. Stop now. Hang on. What I'll do is I'll start plowing right here. And then turn the field thing on. And then we'll go. Pull me sideways. Come on, baby. You can do it. I just want to get rid of all that grass right there. We just have some more land to farm. Because more is always better, so. If we can get another good acre or so off this, that's not bad at all. So we're going to get really close to the ditch here. Like we'll be basically on top of it. I think this tractor's a little too small for this. I don't know what's going on here. I mean, I'm going right on the edge. So basically just getting rid of all the grass here too. This tractor's getting its workout for sure. All right. We'll see how well it works out here. With it being real steep there. We're plowing over. I don't know. We'll see. Whoa. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't put me in the water. Come on, baby. Make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. Think straight on the edge of your lips. Have your witness. Have your need, think no reward. Alright, there we go. Okay, park him over here. We got our harvester over here. I also think I'm going to do one more pass so I don't have to worry about it getting in the water because that hit me. It'll back right in that freaking water. I'll be screwed. So we'll do one more pass around. Or at least around the water side. We won't do the whole thing. So don't back into the water. Cut the cord. I was told I'm the only farmer that farms and listens to rock radio. I said, well, hey, at least it's better than farming and listening to freaking rap. I know a guy that listens to rap, so I'm glad I'm not that moron. I'm not dogging rap. I just don't like it. Never have, never will. Just count to 10. Don't make it rain. So ring the bell. I want it all too well. It's straight on the edge of your lips. And give a witness. Okay. So we'll hire a worker right here. Casualty, cut the cord. I'll be a casualty, cut the cord. Alright. We getting the big beast. Alrighty. I need to go get our high with nitrogen tanks. I could sort of throw it around here. It's tight, don't want to get the other nitrogen tank. Because victory is all you need, so go to fate and plant the seed. Hold your breath and count to 10, just count to 10. Don't make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. Hey, don't make it your lips, and get a witness. So here, we're actually going to unfold it. Casualty, cut the cord. Freedom, cut the cord. B, lower, go ahead, we'll start plowing too, why not? And cultivating. Turn on our nitrogen. Because victory is all you need. So cultivate and plant the seed. Go to breath and count to 10. Just count to 10. Make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. Switch a blade on the end of your lips, and in the witness. With agony brings no reward. The one that makes no last soul. Pay your casualty, cut the cord. Cut it. Good song. The harvester stuck, or what's he doing? Because victory is all you need. Guys stuck. I'll go get him here. Just count to 10. You know what? We're just gonna do one more lap around this whole thing. La 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 la, freedom, cut the cord. Freedom, cut the cord. I get this song on repeat. I just love it. I've noticed lately, guys, that everyone on Farming Simulator PC is getting into the EMS and fire truck rescue stuff. I also do not know why. I don't know if you guys have noticed it either, or if it's just me, but I don't know. That's just what I've noticed. Everyone's like getting into the EMS and fire stuff. Like I seen a video today when I was watching my farming simulator videos. Well, not mine, but I was watching farming simulator videos, and the first one that popped up showed a dump truck in the water, and there was a tow truck there with a ambulance and a fire truck. And then after that, I mean, there were just like multiple videos about them. I'm like, well, what the frick is going on? So I honestly do not know. Going crazy, I guess. I don't have a clue. Like even on the modding websites I go onto, they've been posting crap like freaking crazy. So I don't know. Maybe they're just going crazy. Cause victory is all you need, so cultivate and plant the seed. Hold your breath and count to 10, just count to 10. Make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. Switchblade on the edge of your list, making a witness. It's time you need, and no reward, so one good day for all my stuff. Okay, your casualty, cut the cord. Cut it. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this up here. Make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. It's getting full. I'm gonna make the whole turn now. There we go. A casualty, cut the cord. There's stuff in the field. Can we plow it? Nope. I don't know. We got sticks. I also don't think I'm gonna need that second truck. I honestly did not know how fast the combine would fill up because I didn't know if the field was fertilized or not. And the way it's looking, it's not. So I'm doing right now. I'm basically putting nitrogen in the ground, which just gives it more nutrients. Victory is all you need, so cultivate and plant the seed. Hold your breath and count to 10, just count to 10. We'll make it rain, so ring the bell. I know it all too well. Switchblade on the edge of your lips, imagine the witness. Agony brings no reward, so what good has it what nice stuff? So bring your casualty, cut the cord. Hold on, guys. All right. So about that, guys. Because victory is all you need. So cultivate and plant the seed. Hold your breath and count to 10. Alright, getting this. Pick up truck behind us, we gotta watch out. Alright. He was saying he was full. We'll see. Whoa, that's a big bump. And he is too. That's a
Let's
this
do
time.
some simple
Hold
math.
soybeans.
Say you get the Discover It card and you earn $96 in cash back. Now multiply it by 2. What do you have? Well, $192 in cash back. That's right. Now when you get the Discover It card, we'll automatically double all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. And there are no limits on what you can earn. It might just make your love for Discover double. Just one of the many ways we treat you like you treat you. Apply now at discover.com/double. Exclusive offer only for new card members. Limitations apply.
I love that horn. Cute little horn. Go on, man. Takes slow enough to unload, aren't you? Let's go. There we go. Now he's done. Whoa, I gotta watch what I'm doing here. Oh gosh. Holy crap. Oh gosh. I was not paying attention at all. Man. Can't believe I did that. Wasn't paying attention. Someone texted me. I was trying to see who it was, and alright, we're alright though. Thanks on it. Alright. Push this ditch again. I need to stay away from this freaking thing. This thing will kill you. We filled that truck up fast. They're going. Over in the picture, that's why they had two of them pulling. They were pulling two. Right, that filled up fast. I'll have to go unload my trucks. Oh, it's heavy. Man, is it heavy. Don't help with all these freaking bumps we're going over. That's ever on. Because there's a hitch back here to where we can hook two of them up to each other. Probably why they done that. Oh, was the cover off? Nope. Alright. Where's my truck at? I'm out back into the freaking thing. So all I need to do is back into it. He's still going. So what I'll do is I'll park him over here. Also need to buy another one of these. I'm in. So I can pull that cultivator with the nitrogen tank. Honestly, I might do that. Oh, man. What the frig? Oh, I've done something up. Can't buy nothing. See what I dickered up here. Options. I know it's at the top. I know exactly what I've done. There we go. Bam. As you can see, we are playing it hard. Makes it just more fun. All right, once it loads up here, we can see if it works now. There we go. Yep, so I don't know. We get back in the harvester. Fire him up. Alrighty. Oh crap. I hit the wrong control. Next to hit W. And get pulled up around. This is heavy for this truck. Should pull it. Alrighty. Okay, then get him, put him back up in the garage. Get back there, you cheaters.
Okay, let's do this. Jog 3 miles before breakfast. Make it to work by 9. Run out for a salad at lunch. Oh, time to own that meeting at 3. Yes, 10,000 steps. What's next? Fearless is not hitting snooze. That's the power of the Blue Cross and Blue Shield Federal Employee Program. With more healthy benefits and tools, no one does more to help you live fearless. Sign up at fepblue.org/action by December 14th.
He's close to that edge. Look, you can see the mark. I'm gonna need to line a field here in a bit. We'll probably do that in our next video. We got an outline of this. So what we'll do is we'll just finish the harvest in this video, and then in the next video we will do our liming and plowing up and cultivating this field, and then we'll do another video on the corn, cultivating the corn. I mean, cultivating, actually cultivate it, harvest the corn. Right, so he's ready. He needs to go be put up. And we got this little less swatch, which I will take care of. And then we're done. Cool, guys. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. And for some more Farming Simulator 15 videos on PC, please subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll be talking to you guys later.